Hi everybody, I am Niiiqqque and this is the TheRealNiqqque channel, and if you're new, you know what to do. Please subscribe, and if you're not new, then welcome and join the TRN gang. Now today I'm going to be telling you guys 7 top ways to clear your skin. You guys always ask me what do I do to have my skin clear, so I'm basically about to tell you. And yeah, let's just get right into the video. Okay, so number 1, you will always want to keep your skin clean. I used to use black African soap, and I use the bath clear or something like that. Some blue bottle I use. I'll insert a picture, but I use this blue bottle in black African soap and this exfoliator. They're both exfoliators, and then the black African soap is like just the soap I use. But those really work for me. I don't use it a lot like the exfoliator. I usually put it both together, but I don't use it a lot. I use the blue soap a lot, and I don't use the black African soap a lot either. I only use it like 2 days out the week. That's the most. Number 2, drink water. Water really does help with your skin a lot and your body. Just water itself, you can add lemon too to like spice it up, or add some fruits to spice it up, but water just flushes out everything, and it really does work. I remember my face had broke out really bad, like back in a few months ago. Actually, it was a few months ago, and I was just water, no juice, water. I had this big old water container that I would drink water all day at school, and then within like that week, like on that Friday, it was like clearing up. Like people was telling it was clearing up, because I was like, how your face so clear? And I was like, water. Go to that water fountain. Go get that water from the cafeteria. Water. Like that's just it. Your pillowcase. Now you need to change your pillowcase. I used to not change my pillowcase. Now that I moved into this new place that I am at, I already have changed my pillowcase and washed my pillowcase too. But that carries a lot of dirt. Your towels that you use in the bathtub. Now here's another thing that carries a lot of dirt too. Now I don't know who does this. I'm just saying it because I don't do it. I don't use the same towel I use for my body on my face. I have 2 different towels, actually 3. Dry off towel, face towel, and body towel. So I have 3 towels that's in my name in the bathroom. You just gotta do what you gotta do to make sure your skin is clean. Like, you don't want the same towel that you put on your private parts on your face. Think of it like that. You don't want that. That's nasty. You don't want to do that. So yeah. Number 4, things you eat can affect your face too. Far as if you're always eating chips and always eating candy and not eating healthy at the same time, and if you're just eating sweets and drinking unhealthy things, your skin is not going to get better. No, it's not. I mean, you can eat, I don't say it like this because you can eat what you want to eat. Be careful. Like, I know my limits to a certain extent, to what I can't eat and what I can eat. Like, I can't, there's something that breaks me out fast. Let me think. Something that breaks me out fast, soda. Soda breaks me out quick. Like, sometimes if I eat the wrong thing, as I'm eating it, I see my face breaking out. So it's like, you just gotta be careful with what you eat, and you gotta be careful with everything you do. Period. And what you drink. But if you can eat what you want to eat, but you got to drink a lot of water. You can't just not do both. You cannot do it. Like, come on now. You want that clear skin, you got to work for it. Everything you want, you got to work for it. Okay. Number 5. Number 5, I say using cleanser pads. Number 5, using cleanser pads. Yeah. For times like this, when you're at school and your face is sweaty, or you have built up dirt and you just need to wash it off, I don't think water would help. I think you should go to your local drugstore, and go get you some cleanser pads, because They're on the go. It's a mini pack. You have it in your backpack, your purse, your bag, whatever the case may be. And take it out, clean your face, and put your moisturizer on. That keeps it from not having buildup dirt, because I used to do that. Have little cleanser pads in my backpack and clear my face off, because when I get my hair done, I don't know why, every time I get my hair done, like, doesn't matter where I get my hair done, if I'm even doing my hair, this happens. Like, I have buildup. When your skin is really like shiny and oily, it's build up dirt in there too. Like, so I would just take a cleanser pad, throw it away, get my moisturizer, rub it, and put it on my face. That's it. Just to keep it with your skin throughout the day. Because you can't wash your face throughout the day unless you can. Unless you got it like that, because I don't be doing all that. But, yeah. Number 6, to keep your skin clear. Some people say that apple cider vinegar, baby girl, it's the key for everything. So here's the thing with apple cider vinegar. You could take some apple cider vinegar and some water and a cotton pad, because I used to do this. If I had a severe breakout, like, people look at my face and be like, girl, what problem's weird? But I'm telling you, back then, problems was everywhere. That's where, everywhere. So yeah, you take your apple cider vinegar, your water, your cotton ball, and you apply it on the cotton ball, and you just rub it on your affected areas. And I used to do that. I used to do it at night, so when I wake up in the morning, it'll be fine. Another little secret key I used to do, I'm putting y'all on right now. Another thing I used to do is take Sea Breeze. Now they have different kinds. They have the sensitive kind and the regular kind. I used to use whatever strongest one we had, like whatever strong ones in the store. Let me get that and put it on my face. Now, when I used to pop pimples. Do not pop your pimples. I don't listen, but it's just good to try to put it out there for other people who may listen to me. Don't pop your pimples. Like, if you pop your pimples, because I know I'm not the only one, comment down in the comment section that you pop your pimples, like, for real. Because I do too. I still do, not gonna lie. When we pop your pimples, well, this has to do it, but you get scars, like mini scars. And you don't like that. And another thing, don't pick at your face, like I was just doing. Don't pick at your face. Keep your hands off your face, because your hands are really dirty. So whatever dirt you're collecting in your hands and you put it on your face, you're basically putting it on your face. So yeah. But back to apple cider vinegar. Put that on. And Sea Breeze. Now, this is the thing with Sea Breeze. Here's my trick. And I guarantee it's going to work. It's going to work. Just make sure you get this correct Sea Breeze for your skin. Listen. I used to take a tissue, you know how it'd be a square tissue, I would take a square tissue, pour Sea Breeze all over it, and make a Sea Breeze mask with tissue. After I used to pop my pimples or I see on my skin, it's not together. I'm telling you, this works. You leave it on through the whole night, it shrinks the pimples, literally. Shrink them, small, can't see it. And within a couple days, it's gonna disappear. I'm telling you, it's gonna disappear. This is real information. I have done it. It's gonna disappear. Now it's gonna burn a little bit because the Sea Breeze, like, it's getting in your skin, but it's going to work. So try that, and if you try it, let me know in the comments down below. And I'm telling you, it's gonna work. I'm only putting it on. That's it. And number 7, consistent. You have to be consistent with anything you do, because if you're putting something on your face is not used to it. It's gonna have to get used to it for it to work. Now, everything doesn't happen overnight, but that secret stuff, it happens overnight. But all that other stuff does not happen overnight, unless your face is already used to it and you already got it put down together. So yeah, just be consistent. Consistently drink water, consistently wash your face, consistently do any steps I said in this video if you want clear skin, boo. Period. And if you want to start tonight, start tonight. Make sure that you take before and after pictures, because I have before. I don't know if I have them. If I do, I'll post them on the YouTube little mini channel where you can post stuff, like pictures and stuff. I'll post them over there. But yeah, just be consistent with everything you do. But that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure to follow me on all my social medias, which will be down below. And yeah, tell me if I helped you or not. Make sure you guys leave some video ideas down below also for this week. And yeah, enjoy the rest of your night, because I just want to stop by and say hi and give y'all some tips on how to get some clear skin.